Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the .NET Framework 3.5 error message that Windows cannot complete the requested changes. The changes cannot be completed. Please reboot your computer and try again, followed by error code 0x800f0954. Error. Let's fix that, guys. Go to search menu and type Windows Features. Yeah. Features, turn on Windows feature or off. Open it up. Uncheck the box NETFramework 3.5 and 4.8. Two of these. Click OK. Close it. Now go and restart your PC for make changes. Go to search menu and type Windows Features. Again, turn on Windows Features or off. Open it. After going to Windows Features, go and enable NETFramework 4.8 and NETFramework 3.5. Click OK. Let Windows Update download the files for you. Guys, after finishing this, close out of here and go to search menu and type cmd. Run as administrator. Click yes. Now you want to type sfc space slash scannow scannow. Press enter, guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. This verification need to be 100%, need to complete it. And after this, go and restart your PC, guys. That's it for today's video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you.